Hey, does this sound familiar? You sit down at your desk in the morning and it pops a notification. Your engineering team submitted their revised design for your approval. You check over the assembly design and e-drawings, make sure everything lines up, just like you discussed with your team. Everything looks great. It's going to be a nice Monday. For a change. You're ready to approve the revision, so you fire up that transition engine in SOLIDWORK PDM Pro so you can get on with your day. The file's in the wrong state. Half these components that need released haven't been submitted for approval yet. Oh wait, it's Monday, isn't it? The HawkWare team has heard the wailing of those left behind children. To put an end to their pitiful sounds, we wrote an add-in that prevents that parent file from progressing through the workflow if the children haven't caught up. But wait, what about the neighbor kids? They're always tagging along for free snacks that aren't under your revision control. We found a way to deal with them too. You can set certain workflow states to ignore, like your libraries of purchased parts, for example. If we set our library and release states to ignore, we're free to move the assembly and any child components that need revised out of released so the engineering team can whip them into shape. Since the release state is set to ignore, we don't have to drag along all our children, just the troublesome ones. Since the library is also set to ignore, those pesky moochers on the other side of the fence don't have to know about it. Problem solved. If this sounds familiar, contact us. We have an add-in to put an end to all that wailing. If it's close but not quite what you need to get some peace and quiet, contact us anyway. There's a good chance we can create a version to end your suffering too. Thank you for watching.